Are you looking for the best point and shoot camera? In this video we will look at some of the best point and shoot camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Nikon Coolpix B500 point and shoot camera. Low price and a massive zoom lens make a great pairing. The Nikon Coolpix B500 is one of the easiest long zoom digital cameras to use, offering a minimal number of buttons and switches, making it a great digital camera for beginners. Additionally, for beginner photographers looking to find a model that separates itself from a smartphone camera, having the 40x optical zoom lens in the B500 is a significant factor, as smartphone cameras have no optical zoom. It's great to find such a large zoom in a low-priced, easy-to-use camera, setting the B500 apart from other models on this list. Read, top point and shoot camera for birding. The Coolpix B500 also ranks as the best point and shoot digital camera with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and NFC, each providing wireless connectivity. The B500's tiltable display screen is a nice feature to help you shoot selfies, which is something that many of these easy-to-use cameras don't offer. The B500 runs on 4 AA batteries, which makes it easy to swap out batteries when you're in a spot where you wouldn't be able to recharge a battery. It'd be nice if the B500 had slightly better image quality, as its 16 megapixel, 1/2.3 inch image sensor simply can't provide an image quality to compete with more advanced cameras. This camera body is too large to fit in a pocket or purse, which may disappoint some photographers looking only for the basics. Number 2. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II point and shoot camera. Easy-to-use camera with image capture that can compete with some entry-level DSLRs. The image quality you'll find in the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, thanks to its large 1-inch image sensor, is impossible for a smartphone camera or most point-and-shoot cameras to match. Even though the G7X has some advanced modes, it works great in fully automatic mode. It has an articulated, touch-screen display, and its pop-up flash unit gives it strong low-light performance. It does carry a pretty high price tag versus other point-and-shoots, and its small 4.2x optical zoom lens is another drawback, but its image quality makes up for its problems. The PowerShot G7X Mark II has 20.1 megapixels of resolution, which helps to explain this model's great image quality. Its performance speeds are strong, as you will notice almost no shutter lag, and you can shoot full-resolution images at up to 6.5 frames per second. Plus, its exhilarating performance and speed are combined with a smart compact design. This compact camera is ideal for travel, events, or anywhere on the go. For even greater image quality, you can shoot in the RAW image format, which is great to find in a camera that's so easy to use. All of these features give the Canon G7X Mark II some of the best low-light image quality you'll find in a point-and-shoot camera. As good as it is not the best underwater camera, so get the right model for water adventuring. Number 3. Olympus Stylus Tough TG6 point and shoot camera. Built-in GPS in a versatile, feature-rich waterproof camera. Olympus has created a very easy-to-use waterproof and tough camera in the TG6, much like its older brother, the Olympus Tough TG5. This tough compact camera is made to survive the toughest conditions. When you're working underwater, it can be beneficial to have a simple design in a point-and-shoot camera, and the Stylus Tough TG6 fits that description. The TG6's extra features, such as built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and eCompass, are easy to use too. Keep in mind that the TG6 compact camera's image quality and small zoom lens are slight drawbacks for this model. Olympus only gave the TG6 a 12 megapixel, 1/2.3 inch image sensor, which is a common image sensor size in point-and-shoot cameras, but which is at the low end of the current digital camera market. You will have the option of shooting in the RAW image format with this model, which isn't common in this portion of the market. You also have 4K options for high-speed movie and still image recording, which is nice to find. The Stylus TG6's tough features include the ability to use it in 50 feet of water depth, work after a fall of 7 feet, and survive 220 pounds of crush pressure. With an extra waterproof case that Olympus offers for this model, you can extend its water depth rating to 150 feet. This compact camera has impressive tough features hard to find in a point-and-shoot camera. Number 4. Pick Canon PowerShot ELPH 360HS point-and-shoot camera. A quick as lightning camera available at a budget price point. The Canon PowerShot ELPH 360HS offers those looking to shoot photos on a budget a pretty nice camera with decent image quality. It also uses a high-sensitivity CMOS sensor optimized for use in compact cameras plus a sophisticated light capturing design that provides high sensitivity for improved high ISO capture with reduced noise. So you get all that in a slim and compact camera. Not surprisingly, considering the ELPH 360 features a 1/2.3-inch image sensor, it struggled during my tests in terms of low light image quality. Many point-and-shoot cameras that have such small image sensors struggle in this area. But this model does a very nice job with outdoor photos, creating sharp images. It also is a fast-working camera, yielding almost no shutter lag, which is rare to find in such an inexpensive camera. The PowerShot ELPH 360 has 20.2 megapixels of resolution, which again sets this model apart from many cameras in the $200 price range. But the best feature of this model is its 12x optical zoom lens, which helps to set the Canon ELPH 360 apart from smartphone cameras that don't have an optical zoom capability. This model offers built-in Wi-Fi and NFC connectivity, a 3.0-inch LCD screen, and a host of fun special effect options. Number 5. Pick Sony CyberShot HX99 point-and-shoot camera. 4K movie resolution and large zoom found in this camera. The Sony CyberShot HX99 offers some strong features for a point-and-shoot camera, including an impressive Zeiss 30x optical zoom lens, the ability to record in 4K video resolution at 30 frames per second, and a 180-degree tiltable LCD screen. This is not something that most point-and-shoot cameras can match, especially relatively thin cameras. And despite being a super compact camera, it delivers outstanding performance, with high-quality images and high-level features. It also uses a high-sensitivity CMOS sensor optimized for use in compact cameras plus a sophisticated light capturing design that provides high sensitivity for improved high ISO capture with reduced noise. So you get all that in a slim and compact camera. And despite these above-average features, the CyberShot HX99 remains easy to use, as you'd expect from this type of camera. This model does carry a pretty high price tag versus some of the other point-and-shoots on this list, but the strong features on this model are deserving of an elevated price, making this one of the best point-and-shoot cameras. The Sony CyberShot HX99 offers 18.2 megapixels of resolution in a smallish 1/2.3-inch image sensor, which means its image quality is only average. It does include built-in Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth connectivity, which is helpful for those wanting to share photos immediately after shooting them on social media. The tiltable LCD screen is a very nice feature to find in a thin zoom camera, as it can be difficult to hand-hold the camera steady while using the long zoom. So you can attach the HX99 to a tripod and tilt the LCD at 180 degrees, allowing you to see the scene without having to bend over continuously.